Yo, what is up guys? In today's video, we will be reviewing Styx's updated version of his free tweaking utility. This version will involve a system debug to disable useless processes, BCD edit to configure your boot config for a faster startup time, and much more. But overall, this utility will greatly increase your system performance, increase FPS, and give you way lower input delay. This is only a tiny percentage of what my premium utility does. My premium involves much more things, including BIOS tweaks to unlock a huge FPS boost, way less system latency, and overall to unlock the best gaming performance possible. So if you found out this free utility helped out anyway, make sure to check out exmtweaks.com or with the link in the description. Now let's get started with this video. To get started with the download, head to Google or whatever search browser you use and search up discord.gg/Styx. Once you join my Discord server, make sure you verify yourself in the verified channel. Then head over to Free Utilities channel and then click on the Just Download. Once here, there's going to be the batch file, which is the actual program, and then the TXT with all the stores so you can see that it's not a virus anyway. Right click, download, and download anyway. So you're going to click this folder icon, and you're going to right click and run as administrator. Then read all this and press any key to continue once you're done reading. And it's going to create a system restore point. So if something bad happens or you don't like what happens to your system, you can revert back to your original state. To start, you're going to type 1 to optimize your Windows registry. And some of the things that will change is your Win32 priority separation value and much more. Once everything has said the operation completed successfully, and then press any key to continue. Then type 2 to optimize your power settings. Once this popped up, make sure you select Ultimate Performance, but I'm going to use my paid power plan that comes with my premium tweaking utility. Once they have all completed, type 3 to optimize your Windows settings, then type 1, then 2 to disable useless features, and do that all the way through 6. Once you have done all 6 of them, type X to go back to your main menu. Then type 2 to clean all the junk that you don't need that's been building up. Depending on how many temporary files you have, this process may take a little while. Once it is finished, you can click any key to go back to your main menu. And then you type 5 for CPU tweaks, and then repeat the same process. Then do 6 for USB tweaks to lower your input delay and latency. And once this shows up, you can comment your CPU in the description like this, and I'll respond if it's high end, mid end, or low end. Or another way you can check is you can click your Windows key and search up Task Manager. And then click the Performance CPU. Since I have a Ryzen 5 5600, that's a mid-end CPU, so I'll do 2. And type 10 to debug your system. And then type 11 for latency tweaks. And then 12 for RAM tweaks. And you're going to do 1 through 6. Once you type 1, it's going to show up this menu. And then select the amount of RAM you have. And then since I have 32 gigabytes, I'm going to type 6. And then do 1 through 6. And then once you have done all of them, type X. And then go back to the main menu. And then do 13 to scan for our corrupted files. And as you can see, the Windows didn't find any errors. And then you can go back to the main menu and then do 14 if you have an NVIDIA GPU or 15 if you have an AMD GPU. But I'm going to do 15 since I'm an AMD. Then next, do 16 to disable network throttling. And then 17 for BCD edit. Only do 17 if you're on desktop and only do 19 if you're on laptop. This will configure your boot config for faster startup time. But since I'm a desktop, I'm going to do 17. Now type 18 to lower your overall process count. And if you type A, it's going to disable all the options below it, but only do the ones you want to do. So if you want to disable Bluetooth, then type K. If you want to disable Wi-Fi, then type M. If you disable Bluetooth and you want to enable it back again, just type L. But since I already ran this before, I'm not going to do it again. And type X to go back to the main menu, and then you're going to restart your computer. If you found out this utility helped you in any ways, then make sure to check out our premium tweaks where you can find this program and my standard tweak utility to completely optimize your system for the lowest amount of system latency possible and a huge FPS boost. Right now I'm running a 25% off sale for the next 2 days, so make sure to unlock your system's full potential within minutes. I want to thank you guys for watching and have an amazing day.